So now we have this website which is called as indiacensus.net, which has India's census data. For example, what is going to be the estimated population of India in 2023, total population in this, states with highest literacy rate, states with lowest literacy rate, districts with highest literacy, districts with lowest literacy, highest sex ratio, states with lowest sex ratio. So in this way, and we also have this population of India 2011, 2023. So as you can see, multiple tables are in this particular web page. So I'm going to copy this URL, go to Excel from web or from other sources from web, any one of them. I'll click from web. And I get this. I say okay. So I get all these tables here. If I look through them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is just the document itself, population of India, etc. Now, if I want to choose multiple, then I can choose all these tables that I want to import. I don't want the document, so I'll not choose it. I can directly load it, or if I want to do any transformation, I can do it. Let's say this more or less looks like clean data. So I will say load. So give it a few minutes and the data will be populated here. Okay. Now, this is. Those files already had the data. So I'm just doing that from scratch. Okay. Now see here, it is saying all these rows are loaded. So where is the data going? If you right click on this, you will find load to, you will find it has only created the connection. So I need to load it as a table. And I'll say, okay. So my data has now come in. So same thing for these also. And in fact, if I come here into this, I will see the under data, queries and connections. I can see all this. These are the connections which are there. This is the data model. And the properties here, I can see all details about this. If I go back to queries, I have this is done. So this one also. So this is the second table that it has brought in. Okay. Now this one, what it is doing, this we are having to do one by one. Correct. Which is time consuming. So instead, what you can do is, if I don't want this, I will not save it. Same steps, data from web. Okay. Here I have this load option. I can say load to. Then it will present me the options. Instead, here instead of create connection, I'll say table and say okay. All my tables are imported into different sheets here. Clear?
I can take all those data and merge into one sheet.
Yes.